In finding the equation of the line, given 2 points, we are going to use this 2-point form, which is y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. Kung titingnan mo, ito yung slope natin. Parang doon sa point slope form. So, dalawang points yan. So, mag-assign tayo. X sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Kailangan x and y coordinates ha. So, y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. So, yung y and x, wala naman tayong y and x dito. So, ibig sabihin hanggang mamaya, present yan. Okay, so, y minus, ang y sub 1 natin is 2. So, write 2 equals, y sub 2 natin is 1 minus, y sub 1 is 2. 2 all over, gaya lang tayo. X sub 2 is 0 minus x sub 1 is 3. X minus x sub 1 is 3. Ngayon, ano yung una natin sasagutan? Ito, yung slope muna. Ito muna yung sasagutan natin. So, y minus 2. So, 1 minus 2 is negative 1 over 0 minus 3 is negative 3 times copy. Okay, ito ngayon, simplify natin. Kasi parehong negative eh. So, pwede masimplify yan. Negative divided by negative is positive. So, ibig sabihin, positive na yan. 1/3 times x minus 3. And then, balik tayo dun sa katulad nung sa isang video, the point slope form, i-distribute natin to. So, y minus 2 is equal to 1/3 x, and then ito, minus 1/3 times negative 3. Cancelled out na yan. So, ito negative 1. So, 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Then, ito, transpose natin. So, y is equal to 1/3 x minus 1. Negative, magiging positive. So, y is equal to 1/3 x plus 2. Ay, sorry. Plus 1. Yan, plus 1. Rewrite ko. Y is equal to 1/3 x plus 1. Ayan. Then,